Everyday stress and anxiety combined with long hours of poor posture leads to long-term health problems, tension headaches, neck pain, rounded shoulders, and more. Don't let pain stop you from giving your life 100%. Meet SILE. SILE by Bioneck effectively eases muscle tensions and cervical fatigue in the comforts of your own home. Feel your discomfort melt away. A powerful combination of pulse technology and electrical nerve stimulation helps to hydrate discs, improve blood circulation, and restores the natural curve of the neck. SILE provides you with instant pain relief, fixes poor posture, and improves mobility. Lightweight and customizable, you can easily adjust SILE to tailor-fit the massage intensity according to your comfort level. Choose from 3 massage modes and 15 levels of force. Slip it on and enjoy 15 minutes of total relaxation. Auto power off and remote activated for added convenience. Long-lasting battery life and USB chargeable. SILE provides stress-busting benefits wherever and whenever you need them the most. Recharge and renew your body. End your days free from pain and discomfort with SILE.